Good day to drive, especially in this 2026 Ford Maverick XLT with orange Fury exterior, navy pure interior, seating for 5 with 4 doors. It has a 2.5-liter hybrid engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's an all-wheel drive. Desirable features include 4K tow package, selectable drive modes, tonneau cover, and more features to see. If you like this vehicle and would like to book it for a test drive, please join our website islandford.ca. And now let's take a look under the hood and outside the vehicle. It's a 2.5-liter hybrid engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's an all-wheel drive. Let's take a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, power locks, windows and mirrors. Your driver's seat is manual with manual lumbar. All-weather mats on the floor with the Maverick badging. Your integrated trailer brake controller, gas cap release and light controls. Sliding into the vehicle to start it, keys in the pocket, push the brake and press the start button. On the face of your steering wheel, dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, your selectable drive modes to switch modes depend on the road and weather conditions, and your hands-free dialing. Your dash shows your odometer reading, important messages, and vital vehicle information. The center stack features a touchscreen with your 4-pass Connect system with AM/FM satellite radio, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and other functions, and we can take a look at your backup camera. Now we gotta put it back in parking. You've got your climate control system with air conditioning, defrost, and other functions, your air vents, volume control, hazard light, defrost control, and auto hold to hold you if you're towing, for example. Room for storage below with a 12-volt outlet, USB and USB-C charging ports, your gear shift dial and 2 cup holders, your electronic parking brake, traction control, and more room for storage. Console with storage below, your glove compartment, sun visor, sunglass holder, and light controls. 17-inch wheels, mud flaps, gray door handles with intelligent access, sun visors, privacy glass at the back windows, coupleless easy fuel filler on the driver's side. In the rear, you've got a high mount light, and your box is 4 feet long. Your backup camera would be below the Ford badging, trailer tow hitch, pin connectors, sensors on the back bumper, and a tonneau cover. To open your tailgate, just grab the handle and pull it down. Here you access the cargo area with ample of space for your storage needs. Tie downs in all 4 corners, cargo mat, make it easy for cleaning. And when you're done, lift your door up and close it, and you're good to go on your latest adventure. Storage and power windows in the door. The seating is for 3, and you can maximize your in-cabin storage by folding your seats up. As you have a bench seat, you gotta pull the tab and fold your seat up. When you're done, pull the tab again and it will fold the seat down for you. Anchors to center baby seat, all weather mats on the floor, slim pocket behind the front passenger seat, USB-C charging ports and 2 cup holders, hooks and handle, speaker in the body, and your dome light. Backup camera in the rear, 4 feet long box, mud flaps, tonneau cover, privacy glass at the back windows, some visors, adjustable side view mirrors with integrated blind spot monitoring, LED headlights, and more features to see. If you like this video, please subscribe and join us at islandford.ca. We have plenty to show you and we'd love to hear your comments.